Hi, my name is May Collado. I am a Costa Rican and I live in Vermont, where I am a senior lecturer at the Department of Biology in the University of Vermont. I'm a research associate at Smithsonian in Panama and also with CIMAR, which is the Center for Marine Sciences and Limnology in the University of Costa Rica. I'm also a co-founder of the organization called Pana Cetacea, which is an organization that was created with many other collaborators, and which goal is to support young scientists from Latin America and Central America to follow a career in marine mammals. And our goal is to provide them with opportunities to learn, the training, and to also encourage them to be part of the solution in their respective countries. So I was invited to tell you about my experience, research experience, and how everything began with the Emily Shane Award in 1998. In 1997, I was traveling in the northern part of Costa Rica and saw for the first time dolphins. And as I began to do my research, I realized that these animals were not even part of the national list of mammals. And so I became very interested in doing my master's degree with cetaceans. And the problem was that there was nobody that could guide me in that respect because, these animals weren't thought to be part of the resident kind of populations of mammals for the country, even though our country is more water than the land. So I went to visit Dr. David Tofield's lab in Portland State University as a visitor scholar, and it was there that she told me about the society, the grants, and how to apply. So it was thanks to her encouragement that I wrote my first proposal in a different language, in English, and a month later, I was lucky to find out that I had gotten it. And it was this grant that basically became the seed money for me to get other grants that will become will very important for me to get training and advice from other scientists. So the Emily Shane Award supported my master's studying the spotted dolphins in the northern part of Costa Rica. And the first two trips that I did, I realized the challenges that I was facing. But it was thanks to this extra funding that I got, thanks to the Emily Shane Award, that I was able to travel to the Southwest Fisheries Science Center in San Diego, California. And there I began to knock doors. The first door that I knocked was Dr. Scott Martin, who sat down with me and gave me some of my first books on marine mammals that I still have with me. And then he walked me to the office where Bill Perrin was at the time the editor of Marine Mammal Science, and I came out of his office with several copies of the journals and articles. And then he walked me to the office of Tim Corrett, where I sat down and asked questions about my type of surveys and the kind of questions I wanted to answer. And then he introduced me to his postdoc, Dr. Jama Forcada, who was doing research on modeling spotted dolphin populations. And then with Jama, we developed a model for small populations or small spatial ranging studies like the one I was doing. And so I guess what I'm trying to tell you is that the Emily Shane Award opened many doors for more funding, but it also, throughout this journey, I have the help of many scientists. When you ask for help, you'll be surprised of how many people are so much willing to help you. And so for those of you that are beginning your career, don't be afraid of asking for help. Conferences are a great place to meet new scientists from your region and from neighboring regions, but also send an email and ask for help and questions regarding how what are the best steps to develop research, funding opportunities, and training opportunities. So I hope that with my story, many of you will be encouraged to continue, and my doors are opened to any of you that have questions. I'm happy to support in any way I can. Thank you.